In this video, we are going to understand what do you mean by similar triangles. Okay. Now, we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle MNO in this particular figure. These two triangles, okay, triangle ABC and triangle MNO will be similar when there are two conditions which are satisfied. Please note, both these conditions are important, and therefore if one is done and the other one is not done, then they are not similar triangle. The first condition is that their corresponding angles are equal. Now, what do you mean by corresponding angle? If you look at these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle MNO, then triangle B is corresponding to triangle N. Or in other words, angle B should be equal to angle N. Angle A is corresponding to angle M. So therefore angle A should be equal to angle M. And angle C, 1, 2, 3 cross, is corresponding to angle O. Therefore angle C should be equal to angle O. So the first condition is that all the corresponding angles should be equal, not lesser, not more, equal. The second condition is that their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. What does this mean? Now let me say, for example, that the length of size AB is equal to 8 centimeter and MN is equal to 4 centimeter. Now if I talk about the corresponding side, we have AB correspond to MN. And what is AB upon MN? It is equal to AB is 8 centimeter, MN is 4 centimeter, or 2:1. Right? This particular property implies that their corresponding sides in the same ratio, which means what? If I look at side AC upon side MO, that should also be in the same ratio of 2:1. So if let's say, for example, AC for example is 6 centimeter, right, then OM should be equal to 3 centimeter, and so on. In other words, the side AB upon MN should be equal to side AC upon OM should be equal to side BC upon ON or NO, whatever you might call it, which is this side. Right? So the ratio of the corresponding sides should be equal. In this case, if this is 2:1, this should be equal to 2:1, and even this should be equal to 2:1. If they are not, then these two triangles are not similar. Just to recapitulate, what are the two conditions? The two conditions are that two triangles will be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Angle B equals N, A equals M, C equals O, corresponding. It's not that B should be equal to M, A should be equal to N, and vice versa. No, the corresponding angles have to be equal. And second is that their corresponding sides should be in the same proportion. So if A upon B is equal to M upon N, or the ratio of these two sides is given to be a particular ratio, then the ratio of the other sides should also be the same. If it is, these two triangles are similar. If it is not the case of two similar triangles.